Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the True Form Posture Corrector. Now, we all know sitting at a desk all day can wreak havoc on our backs and posture, so I decided to test this out and see if it truly helps. Right off the bat, what stood out was how lightweight and breathable it is. It's made from soft neoprene, meaning you can comfortably wear it under or over your clothes without overheating. The adjustable straps also make it easy to find the perfect fit, and trust me, adjusting it yourself is really simple. Personally, after using it just 2 hours a day for a week, I genuinely noticed less upper back tension and neck pain, plus my posture naturally improved, even when I wasn't wearing it. It's also super user-friendly. You don't need any help putting it on or taking it off. That independence is a huge bonus. So, is it worth it? From my experience, yes. If you're struggling with poor posture or back pain from daily tasks, definitely give this one a try. Click the link in the description below to get one for yourself. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another honest product review. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.